Look at the kitten.
Look, you do this for the kitten.
Hi, kitten.
Oh, go see him.
Daddy, kitten.
No, Daddy's filming. You go.
Oh, get the kitten.
You say hello, kitten.
Hello. Hello, kitten.
It's a beautiful kitten. Lives at Carol's house, isn't it?
Lives next door. You can play with the kitten. Stroke him. Tom. Tom. Stroke the kitten. Give him a nice stroke.
Daddy, guys.
You do it.
Because he dabbed her. She dabbed him.
Nom 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 nom. Ah. White, clever boy. He did say white. Can you tickle the kitten, Tom? You can tickle Daddy. Should we see the kitten again? Here we go. Come on, Tom, you come down. Give a stroke. Oh look, here she comes. Here comes Octopus. Where are you going? There's no more kittens. Come play with this one. One's enough.
Do you want it to get your toe?
You're going to shut the gate on the kitten. You cruel boy. Look, kitten's getting mummy. Oh, look, stroking mummy. Yeah?
Daddy?
Yeah?
Me?
Daddy's knee, that's lovely.